it's Marilyn. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I hope I will inspire you for your own DIY project. My daughter has several shot glasses at home piling up on the kitchen counter, so I'm going to make a shot glass counter shelf display as a gift for her. I used pallet wood for the project, and my concept is to use the stairs as a way of making this project. The riser is 3.5 inches by 15 inches, and the tread shot glass shelf itself is 3 inches by 15 inches. I'm doing a mock-up to get an idea to see how it'll work. Unfortunately, when cutting the boards and making the holes for the shot glasses, I didn't have the camera on. The shot glass holes were cut with a 1 5/8 inch Forstner bit at 1/8 inches in depth to keep the glasses in place. Before I put it together, I'm sanding the shelves with 150 and 220 grit sandpaper. Because when I put this together, it'll be difficult to sand the project. I want to stain only the risers and the sides of the display, so I brought out my stain samples with the name of the color on the back to see which one will look good with the natural pine wood. This helps me which stain will look good for the piece before I stain it. Using gun stock for the stain color for the risers and the sides. 2 coats will be applied, and to keep the stain sealed, I applied 2 thin coats of shellac. Wood glue, clamps, and pin nails to attach the riser to the tread. to attach the second shelf to the first shelf with wood glue and clamp it. Then I will attach the top shelf to the second shelf with wood glue and clamp it. There we have it, 3 shelves using the stairs concept, 2 stained risers and 3 treads unstained, put together to make a multi-level display. I stained and shellacked the large board for the sides. I will use the shelf unit to measure it. I need this one board to do 2 sides, so I'm placing the unit around the board to get the most out of it. To cut the sides, I used my jigsaw. Then I attached it with wood glue and pin nails. The bottom shelf did not have a side attached, but I cut one to make it more aesthetically uniform. To make a bottom, I used 2 scrap pieces of wood and attached it to the sides with wood glue and pin nails. Underneath the display, you will see metal corner braces. I used this just to keep it secured while I was moving it around. I then later replaced it with wood corner braces for sturdiness. I applied several coats of shellac to the display. I am attaching a backer board to the back of the display using my electrical arrow staple gun. The shot glass display holds 21 glasses, 15 inches long, 11 inches tall, and 10.5 inches in depth. I put my own shot glasses on it to see what it will look like. Thanks for watching.